Welcome to My Knowledge, your all-in-one learning hub inside Moorr. Whether you're just getting started on your property journey or you're deep in the trenches and ready to take it to the next level, My Knowledge is where we bring it all together. Everything we've ever created to help you build wealth, manage money, and get clear on your next move. Now let's take a quick tour so you can hit the ground running. Where to find My Knowledge? You'll find My Knowledge in the left-hand purple sidebar under Professional Services. It is available in web, mobile, and in the app version. Although to get the best of the content, the web version is recommended. Now let's get into My Knowledge. At the top of My Knowledge dashboard, you see a featured content section. This is where we surface the newest, most popular, or most relevant courses and tools. Keep an eye out here for what's trending or newly added. Next, we have our core contents. These are completely free and packed with foundational content to help you master the basic of property, finance, and money management. Here you'll find our popular masterclass on how to build a property portfolio and retire on $2,000 a week, which is our step-by-step course that's helped thousands of Aussies get started. In the media section, you'll be able to watch a lot of videos series we've created in the past, money hacks video series, negative jeering, and of course, our welcome pack to the Armchair Guide to Property Investing is there as well. You'll be able to watch all our popular shorts, reels, and you can also listen to our weekly Property Couch podcast and our Armchair Guide to Property Investing podcast. Next in our core content, we have our readables. This will take you into our Moorr blog. It has everything you need to know about how to use Moorr, what's new, what's coming up, all the product overview, and educational material there as well. Next, we have our downloadables area. It is jam-packed with amazing resources to make your life easier. It has our eBooks, case studies, spreadsheets, calculators, reports, fact sheets, and more. In the course section, at the top, we also write quick link. It is Binge Guide, Money Hacks video series, and free property report. This is the link that we think is most beneficial. So whenever you have time, please feel free to go check them out. Now let's get on to our pro contents. These are our premium resources. It's created for investors and wealth builders who are ready to go further. In here, you'll find access to our Start and Build course, a comprehensive roadmap to creating a passive income of $2,000 a week through property. Our powerful case study series based on our book, The Armchair Guide to Property Investing, our specialist courses like the 10 times property research with Google Earth and Look Find Buy. Plus, you can also find our latest exclusive toolkit, the brand new $3,000 a week playbook toolkit and companion packs for the Armchair Guide to Property Investing book. And the best part, every single course comes with a 365-day money-back guarantee. So there is no risk, just real result. Now, let's dive deeper into one of the course. As you can see here, once you open any course in My Knowledge, you'll find everything clearly laid out in one easy to navigate space. At the top, you've got multiple tabs. The course tab gives you an overview of what the course covers, and the material tab will show you what type of materials you will get inside that course. On the right, you can see the course content laid out lesson by lesson, so you can go through it at your own pace. Some topics can be expanded, giving you more access, but you can see everything prior to purchasing. At the end of each lesson, you can mark it complete, so you'll be able to know your own progress. Before you purchase, if you want to know more about the course, you'll also find real testimonials from people who've taken the course, shared their experience, and a helpful frequently asked section for anything that might come up along the way or pre-purchase. It is all designed to be simple, flexible, and easy to follow, whether you're jumping in for a deep dive or just picking things up in small bites. There are some things that we would like to highlight. for our book lovers, you'll also find companion packs and extra resources for 3 of our books. We've made it super easy for you to get the most out of them, whether you're reading, listening, or applying the strategies. We've got the playbook toolkit for our latest book. We've got a welcome pack for our most popular armchair guide to property investing book. And we have the ebook for our Make Money Simple Again. The How to More section gives you a quick tips and step-by-step guides to help you manage your money and make the most out of every feature. It has a Money Smarts checkup for returning users sections, how to use our latest historical tracking, how to record a checkup in Money Smarts. So if you are in doubt of anything about Moorr, feel free to come to this section and you will most likely be able to find everything you need there. Otherwise, feel free to contact us and we will happy to help you with anything. Last but not least, a quick tip from me is how to navigate the My Knowledge Center. If you go to any of the My Knowledge Center, there is a breadcrumb at the top of them. That breadcrumb will lead you back to the home base of what the content you are in. Another tip is when you are in any course, if you have purchased the content or if it is a free core content under core, you can go straight to any of the course content. Click on it and it'll open to any of the course content you'd like to go. And to go back, you press the title of the course itself, which is located at the top of the sidebar. For example, I want to go straight to tax deduction calculations. I click on it and it will take me straight to that. And to go back, I press on the 3K a week playbook toolkit. So whether you're here to get started, go deeper, or just stay in the loop, My Knowledge gives you all the tools, content, and learning to keep moving forward. It is a self-paced pack with value and built to help you make smarter property and money moves. Whenever you're ready, let's get started.